好啦，2022年 Long Quest 第7條啦，咁你呢度有篇文就講 magnetic field patterns 啦。咁咧佢又講啦，有啲鐵粉咧，係啊就係鐵粉啦。咁跟住咧佢哋係鐵磁性啦，咁即係佢係見到有 magnetic field，咁就係打入去嘅話咧，咁你啲鐵咧都會無端端變咗一個 tiny magnet 嘅，即係原本一嚿鐵就係一嚿鐵。如果佢感受到 magnetic field 嘅話咧，佢自己都會變咗一個 magnet。當你嚿鐵啦，如果你打咗啲 field lines 入去嘅話，咁佢自己呢個時候佢都變咗個 NS 咁樣，就變咗個 magnet 出嚟。咁所以咧，佢都可以 along，我哋都可以 display 佢嘅，用 ion valence 嚟 align 翻啲 field lines 嘅，可以 show 翻個 magnetic field lines 嘅。簡單嚟講，聽唔明又唔緊要，睇張圖就睇得明啦。其實就係當你有個 permanent magnet 喺度咁樣跑嘅時候咧，A、B 係兩個 magnet 啦。咁咧嗰啲黑色嗰啲線咧，其實就係倒啲鐵粉落去，咁咧就會 demonstrate 到就會展示到你個 field line 出嚟啦。簡單嚟講，嚟啦，睇下啦。咁你而家咧其實 suppose 咧就會見到咧係兩嚿 magnet，跟住咧啲 field line 咧係咁樣跑緊嘅。咁當然方向我哋未知住啦。嚟啦，咁啲方向係點樣睇咧？睇個 porting compass。咁而家咧佢係指引向上嘅。咁咧，顧名思義，一個指南針喎，佢係指向南邊噶嘛。即係咧，你而家啲方向咧，你啲線咧係 pointing to south 嘅。你指引個方向係向 south 嘅，咁所以兩嚿咧都係 south pole。係因為指南針指嘅方向就係 south 啊嘛。咁佢而家 feel 到上面喺呢個位 detect 緊佢跑緊啲線係 south 嘅線嚟噶嘛，咁所以就係 south 啦。第二個啦。咁如果你 compass 而家掉咗個 P 個位嘅話咧，咁其實因為你而家啲線呢個位係向上啦，咁你上面嗰啲位就係向下噶嘛。當你抌上 P 嘅話咧，咁佢咪感受到一個向下咯。咁而家個指南就係向下咯。非常簡單。point to bottom。好啊，第三句。to obtain such field lines experimentally 啦，其中一個建議咧就係你放個 magnet 喺個紙盒下面，喺個紙箱下面，咁然之後咧你啲 ion valence 咧就滲喺上面咁樣。可能你個 NS 係咁樣啦，咁跟住咧你啲鐵粉咧就喺上面咁樣倒嘅。佢要你點解咧？其實諗下都知啦。當你啲鐵粉如果直接黐落嚿磁石度，咁你咪攞唔走咯，你咪掹佢唔走咯。咁你而家你有張紙咁隔住，咁你起碼一掹起張紙，咁啲嘢就可以跌翻晒出嚟啊嘛。咁容易清理啦。簡單嚟講，好啦。as ion filings comes into physical contact with 你個 magnets, it is very difficult to get rid of it from the magnet。 係就好難清潔啫，就係話。好，下面 part B 啦。你而家咧就有一個 bar magnet 啦，跟住有8隻 porting compass 啦，一支筆一張白紙咁樣啦。佢咧就叫你 describe with the aid of a diagram， 你可以點樣用以上嘅嘢去 trace 幾條 magnetic field line around the magnet。其實咧就相當簡單啦。你心目中你又應該知道而家啲線應該咁樣跑緊㗎啦。呢個咧就我有讀過書就知㗎啦。呢個 N 去 S 啊。好啦，你做實驗點樣 demonstrate 到呢樣嘢咧？就係你抌幾隻 compass 落去，你抌啲指南針落去，咁咧 suppose 咧佢就應該會慢慢咁樣跑翻入嚟嘅，應該會有一個咁樣嘅 demonstration 做咗出嚟嘅。OK， 係啦，就係你抌啲 compass 落去，咁佢咪個指針嘅方向咪就係你個 magnetic field line 走嘅方向咯。跟住咧，我哋抌咗啲 compass 落去啦，見到啲指針咁樣啦，跟住我哋咪用你俾嗰支鉛筆去畫翻出嚟咯。 咁所以你就可以畫到一個咁樣嘅 magnetic field 出嚟咯。咁畫完第一次啦，咁跟住咧，我哋攞翻走啲 compass，咁可能而家揾第二條路啦。如此類推嘅啫，都係。咁你就可以畫埋第二組線出嚟啦。就咁樣做嘅啫。咁所以咧，我哋點樣用文字解釋翻咧？嚟啦。咁首先咧，你就place the compass near the North Pole and put it one by one and put them one by one 啦，one by one as shown above 啦。咁咧，即係一個黐住一個咁樣行啦。Near the North Pole， 咁咧就可能點樣講 one by one 咧，就可能話佢 line up 咗啦。咁我形容個講法咧就係align them such that the compass needle line up with the tip following the tail of the compass ahead。咁講佢會 follow 前面嗰隻個指針啦。咁即係簡單嚟講，就係你個箭嘴頭篤住人哋個 pat pat 咯。咁主要係講翻一樣嘢嘅。咁你英文夠好就寫到啦。咁跟住咧，你就 denote 你個 tip and tail of 你個 compass 啦。with denote the tip and tail of the compass with dot on the paper 啦。咁即係你畫翻出嚟啫 on the paper。咁跟住咧 trace the compass line， trace the 點講咧 trace the compass using a pencil。咁咧你就 draw 一個，跟住咧就 draw a smooth curve 啦。representing the field line magnetic field line 啦，magnetic field lines。咁咧就 repeat 啦。我哋畫咗一條，因為佢條問題要我哋寫幾條啊。repeat the above procedures。until field lines are produced。咁樣講就搞掂㗎啦。其實咧最難都係寫英文嗰 part 啫。個 idea 就唔難嘅，就係一隻放一隻，跟住咧你追翻住嗰條線嚟畫。跟住咧重複一下啦。因為你得8粒，你得8粒 compass 嘅啫嘛。所以咧畫完呢度咧，可能搬去第二度再畫一次。可能唔同位都畫一碌咁樣做就搞掂㗎啦。好。